Using or in SQL Alchemy. I've looked through the docs and I can't seem to find out how to do an OR query in SQL Alchemy. I just want to do this query. Should be something like
from the tutorial.
Alchemy overloads the bitwise operators and so instead of the ugly and hard to read prefix syntax with or underscore, and underscore, like in Bastien's answer, you can use these operators. Note that the parentheses are not optional due to the precedence of the bitwise operators. So your whole query could look like this.
OR underscore function can be useful in case of unknown number of OR query components. For example, let's assume that we are creating a REST service with few optional filters, that should return record if any of filters return true. On the other side, if parameter was not defined in a request, our query shouldn't change. Without OR underscore function we must do something like this. With OR underscore function it can be rewritten too.
For SQL Alchemy on 2.0 both, and OR underscore are accepted. Documentation.
If you want to install, please consider subscribing.